Hello, guys and girls. Just want to put you guys up on a traffic source to get premium visits to my website, landing page, trafficauthority.net. It's a place where you can purchase traffic. You know, if you have mastered the approach of getting free traffic, kudos to you. Um, as you know, and I know, it's a lot of work to be able to get that free traffic, but it's definitely out there. But for those who are looking for a way to get premium traffic quickly, after beating around the bush and going to different avenues, you definitely have to pay for premium traffic. Let's be honest. Unless you're some kind of software pro and professional where you know the ins and out of computers and programming and all that stuff that I don't know anything about, I would recommend trafficauthority.net just to go through it here. I've signed up for them. It's like I said, it's been about a month. And if you go in the dashboard here, it's where a place where you can read a little bit about what they are. They allow you to buy and purchase premium traffic at their traffic store. And the way they come about it is they purchase it from internet marketers, direct sell marketing companies, individuals perhaps like yourself, and they resell it. And you can also become a reseller of your own traffic as well. And what I do like about this is that, for example, if you're looking for leads in the internet marketing or affiliate marketing field, you can put your link in to these packages. For example, once you buy maybe a basic package for $200, they can guarantee you 170 to 190 clicks. If you get the bronze package, 340 to 380 clicks on up, all the way to a diamond package, which is $8,000, right, for this diamond package. But see down here in my back office, you could add your website to your landing page, capture page, whatever, sales page, and be able to generate those clicks of premium. And see, what they do is they scan your website, your link, and they cater it to that premium traffic. And so what's nice about that is that you're catering to people in your genre, in the avenue that you want to sell in. So if somebody is selling vegan, products, you don't want to go to someone who absolutely loves steaks. You know what I mean? So that would be that would be a big miss. You're selling to your wrong category of people or people you want to sell to. So that's one thing I do like about the traffic. It's targeted traffic. And if you want to check out Traffic Authority, you do have to have a sponsor. So if you're interested, I'll put the link in the description of this video. You can just check it out. It doesn't cost you anything just to look around and see how it works. But feel free to click on that link below in the description. You'll be able to see a little bit more about Traffic Authority and what they offer. They also offer landing page creation. So if you're not tech savvy and know very little about landing pages, capture pages, and that types of thing, they have modules in here that you could learn how to do those things. And they try to upsell you, to be honest and candid. Just like most businesses, they'll try to upsell you their different packages here. So let's just look around. They have the Traffic Academy, which offers different courses, but you have to buy into this program. It's $97 a month. And then they have the Traffic Optimizer is another program. And let's see, there we go, $27 a month. You sign up for that and you get ways to create customizable email capture pages with the optimizer. You get click training, the rotator, which you can rotate between one website and the other if you want to try to target traffic to each one of those. It's really kind of a cool concept. And you get one-click split testing of your software. Also pop-up timers and exit pages to get those leads and generate those leads. So a lot of nice little programs. And again, here's the traffic store if you want to check out the different packages they have. And just last but not least, you could be a reseller. Now, this is an inexpensive way. Let's just click on it. An inexpensive way to be a reseller of the Traffic Authority. Again, it's limited in some of your commissions and what it offers, but without making this video too long, feel free to check it out. So again, I'll put the link in the description for Traffic Authority if you're interested in getting quality premium leads to your landing page, to your business. Check it out, guys. And as time goes on, I'll try to create a video on some of the traffic that it has generated for me. So I've been impressed with it, and sort of a little disheartened with the free way of traffic and how minimal leads you get. So I've really appreciated this program, and I just wanted to turn it on to you guys. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one.